You're in the middle of a heated gaming session, surrounded by empty energy drink cans and scattered snacks. Your monitor is flickering, and your character's health is dwindling, but just as you're about to lose everything, the Cooler Master NR2 Pro kicks in. This compact ITX design unleashes top-tier performance in a sleek 18.25L system, roughly the size of a large shoebox, that's perfect for gamers, creators, and professionals alike. The NR200P Max case provides maximum airflow, while the 280mm I/O keeps your components at optimal temperatures. Imagine yourself in the midst of a high-stakes gaming match, with smooth gameplay at 60+ FPS in Full HD+ resolution across a wide range of popular titles. The Cooler Master NR2 Pro delivers that level of performance, making it an essential upgrade for any serious gamer. But what really sets this case apart is its superior memory. With 32GB, 2x16GB, DDR5 6000 MHz RGB RAM and a Gen 4x4 NVMe controller, you'll enjoy blazing fast storage speeds for apps, photos, media, and games. And with the vibrant RGB lighting, your system will be a real showstopper. The Cooler Master NR2 Pro also features a glass or mesh panel, Type-C port, USB 3. 2 Gen 2 Type-C, and 5 USB 3. 2 ports, making it easy to stay connected and organized. Plus, with no bloatware and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you'll have everything you need right out of the box. One of the things that truly impresses about this case is its ability to deliver exceptional cooling and performance. With NVIDIA's ray tracing technology, you'll enjoy breathtaking visuals that bring your gaming experience to life. But don't just take our word for it. Once people try the Cooler Master NR2 Pro, they stop reaching for their old cases. That's how confident we are in its ability to revolutionize your system. The question is, what would you do if you had a system that could keep up with your most demanding needs? Would you spend hours tweaking and adjusting settings, or would you have the freedom to focus on what matters most, gaming, creativity, or productivity? By upgrading to the Cooler Master NR2 Pro, you'll unlock your system's full potential and experience a level of performance and convenience that was previously out of reach. So why wait? Check the link below to get the best price on this incredible case, and start enjoying the benefits of superior cooling and performance today.